Okay, I have never washed clothes before while camping, and we've been here long enough that it's time, but we don't want to go to a laundromat anywhere around here if we can avoid it, so we're going to try to see if this is like if this can be a normal, regular thing that we do. I don't think it'll be too hard. I mean, if Tiffany did it, it'd be like way better every time, because she just has that natural ability.
That sounds sexist.
Yeah, you know what I'm talking about.
Hey.
Let's see what we can do.
Woman up, Zach.
Woman up, she says. Now I can say with some confidence that clothes are a little cleaner, maybe. Maybe they're a lot cleaner than I think. Maybe they're perfectly clean. I don't know. At the very least, stop giggling. At the very least, they're somewhat cleaner. I can definitely attest to that. So.
Alright, so we have stayed at this one campsite for the maximum of 14 days because it's been that awesome, and it's finally time to pack up and leave. So we put up our little netted gazebo tent you see behind me because the mosquitoes here were kind of bad sometimes, but fortunately taking that down is real easy. We did laundry yesterday and we just have a couple things drying. It's been beautiful, the weather has been awesome, and we have a cell tower really close by, so we've had really good service to get some work done. So I'm a little sad to leave this spot, but also excited to head west. So let's do it!
Ursa Minor Brewing, Bear Hop from Duluth, Minnesota. It's American India Pale Ale. Super good.
And I've got another one from Duluth. This is a cider from Wild State in Duluth, and it's one of the best ciders I've had.
Yeah, that's really good.
Yeah.
That's really tasty. So is this.
It's a good girl.
Had a nice taste of some North Dakota hospitality. This guy that lives just right over there came over and was like, hey, you want some sweet corn?
Oh, I'm excited
Looks
about
nice.
that.
North Dakota. Nice. She did.
It didn't move. I was like, what's that? There. I was like, oh!
Alright, so we are at Devil's Tower here in Wyoming, and this place is super cool. We only really knew about it from Close Encounters of the Third Kind, which I'm making Tiffany watch tonight.
Yeah, we're renting it from Amazon, so that'll be fun.
This is just on the way, so it's just really kind of a nice, lovely stop to get out and hike for a little bit, see a really amazing feature, and then continue on.
Canyon in Wyoming, and Zach is freaking out because he thought the water was moving uphill, and we just looked it up, and apparently even though it feels like you're driving downhill into the canyon, you're really staying pretty much level and just going slightly uphill. So it kind of was the whole time he's just freaking out as we're driving.
Oh, well, because I mean, like, it feels so much like you're going downhill. And then you look to the side and you've got water going the other direction. And you're like, how is this possible?
So we're having Frankie groomed today. She really needs it. And we took the opportunity to do a fun little adventure without Frankie because she can be a pain sometimes. And we took Tuco and we checked out Upper Mesa Falls in Idaho. Gorgeous. Oh my goodness, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Oh, she looks great.
So we've been in the van just a little over a month now, and during that time we've showered 2 times.
Nope. What he means to say is that we've used like traditional showers 2 times, but we've been cleaning ourselves a lot more often than that. We use creeks and stuff, and now we also have, well, we actually had one in the bus too, a portable shower called a rinse kit.
Yeah, the rinse kit has been great. It's just this little portable tank that you can pressurize, even without city pressure, or you can use city pressure to pressurize it. And yeah, you can take showers with it. It has a handle with a shower setting, a flat setting, center setting, mist setting. Last year we used it to wash, like give the bus a wash when it was getting really dirty. But this year we're relying on it really heavily, and so far it has not disappointed. Rinse kit, check them out, solid stuff. Morning. How are you? Thank you. So this is what happens when Tiffany leaves the van. That's Frankie in the same seat as Tuco as they look for her in a panic. And then, when she comes back...
Hey, stinkers. Get down.
Come on, get down. Frankie,
get down.
You gotta start. Yep, and then Tuco, you get down. Alright. That's a pretty good pit toilet, right?
That actually was the cleanest I've ever seen. You're right.
Yeah, it's a nice thing.
Zach had to be really bad.
I had to do a lot of things really bad.
I told him just to go in here, but he wanted to use a pit
Well, I
toilet.
wanted to come across a pit toilet, and then that way our toilet lasts longer.
That's
but,
fair.
Whew,
He's a new man, I think.
feeling good.
So we just saw a black wolf in Lamar Valley. I'm over the moon. I got a picture of it and it's this small, but you can tell what it is. It's pretty cool. So we'll try to show a picture of that, and I think you can tell that it's a wolf even though it's just a speck. Who needs a microwave? Awesome.